Today I'm going to show you a few tips to do if you cannot find your Bluetooth accessory on the OPPO A38. So when I have a problem with my headphones or another Bluetooth gadget, I'm always starting from the simplest way: just switch off and switch on again the Bluetooth connection to restart it. You can also try to restart your phone. A little bit obvious, I know, but sometimes it really works, so just try it. At the start you have to be sure that your Bluetooth accessory has activated Pair mode, and how to activate Pair mode you will find in the manual to your device or maybe on your YouTube channel. So just check it and be sure that your Bluetooth accessory should be visible for other devices. What is still not for your phone, open the settings, then swipe down and choose the additional settings. Swipe down again, choose the backup and reset, choose the reset phone and tap on the network settings. As you can see, the Bluetooth is included here. Click on the Reset Network Settings button and look again for your device on the Bluetooth list. In the next step you can also try to update your system, so you have to go back to the settings, go to the About device and tap on the ColorOS. If you have any updates, just download it and install. And the last recommendation from me: check your Bluetooth accessory and your phone on other Bluetooth device to check which one is visible, which one is making problem here. That's it, thanks for watching, leave us a like or a comment and goodbye.